All right, today we're at Muscle RX. This is one of our newest clients, and we're making a whole bunch of sponsored ads to be mostly on Facebook and Instagram. But there is a formula when you are making content and sponsored ads for the Facebook platform. A lot of people think you just make a video, you put some money behind it, and then all of a sudden, bam, you got an ad. That is kind of true, but you got to make a bunch of different videos, and then you test them out against each other from different formats to ad copy. So that's what we're doing today. We're putting a whole bunch of different content together for them. We're going to test it out, called A/B testing, and see which one works out the best. All right, check out some of the behind the scenes.
Corey here. So we're here with Muscle RX today, and for our setup in this room, we're just using the Avature 120D. We just have it kind of up at a 45-degree angle to get some good soft lighting, flat lighting here on the subject. We weren't able to turn off the overhead lights, which is just something you have to deal with every now and then. But we're just going to do our best to try to match color. We're shooting here with the A7S III. I got the Ronin SRS2 here. It's a pretty good setup. I think we're going to do a good job.